Security vote not be money when you dey keep and you dey spend anyhow you like. Governor Mutfwang, welcome country people to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, wetin you dey wait for? Make you do so now. Make you also set up your notification button to give you alert once we drop update. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Plateau State na one of the states for northern Nigeria and e dey the north central geopolitical zone. And the state, they describe am as the home of peace and tourism. According to population projection, the state get around 4.7 million people, and in capital city na Jos. Currently, na People's Democratic Party (PDP) na dey rule the state, and the governor na Gov Mutfwang. For one interview wey im do, where he talk on so many topical issues, he dwell also on the issues of the security of the state. Before now, na daily we dey hear story of one security challenge or the other for the state. Although to a great extent, the story e don dey minimized. They come dey ask the governor how im take dey do am. E no dey bothered about the security situation of the state, and if so, how im dey address am, especially for agitations from some Nigerians say governors no dey make judicious use of their security votes. And then the governor come answer. He say make e quick correct that impression. He say security vote no be money when you dey keep and when you dey spend anyhow you like. He say so many misconceptions dey about the security vote, and e don become a source of accusations and suspicion. He say but na until you join government, he say you no go understand how the security vote dey function. He say first of all, whether you like am or not, federal security institutions must dey present for your state. And he say these institutions na the army, the police, the Department of State Services wey dey call DSS, and the civil defense. He say unlike most federal institutions, he say their basic operational needs na the state na dey fund am. He say that na part of wetin security vote dey use for. He say you no go just set up your own institutional framework, because security na a function of law. He say but im dey fortunate for Plateau that during the Goodluck Jonathan administration, they come become the first state in the country to get approval to set up a state security apparatus wey dey call Operation Rainbow. He say and im go fit talk say in the last 8 years, he say the outfit come dey comatose. Na be say e no come dey work again. He say but they don revive am, and e don greatly assist the security agencies for the state. He say make dem no forget, e get laws wey dey regulate the carrying of arms. He say unfortunately, the prevalence of small arms and AK-47s for the country today dey alarming. He say huge black market dey for arms. He say but as a government, he say they must operate within the ambit of the law. That is to say wetin the law allow them to do. So security vote no be something when you go just dip your hand inside He say he no know how others dey use their own o. He say but for am, dem no dey do am like that. He say anything when e relate to security, he say na budgetary matter and e dey get dedicated budget head so that when security related issues dem dey, you dey fund am from there. He say for example, you know how much Hilux vehicles dey cost now? He say the last time he check na almost 100 million naira. He say you go provide vehicles to the DSS, the police and the civil defence. He say wetin dey dey get from the federal government e no dey sufficient. He say now the way security agencies dey operate for every state depends a lot on their relationship with the state leadership. He say if you get good relationship with them, their output dey improve. He come say na dicey relationship o. He say for some situations, political considerations dey come in and wetin dem know to be reality on the ground, oga at the top go fit counter am for Abuja. So you go manage the situation well. He say na delicate balance. He come talk say since the law dey place security agencies under the federal government, he say you no go just arbitrarily break off and do your own thing. He say you must collabo with federal agencies. He say not until dem get state police, he say you no go fit talk say dem go fit dey do things on their own. He come talk about state police. He say him be unrepentant advocate of state police. He say most of the security issues wey we dey face, he say dem go fit tackle am with local policing. He say recently he receive briefing from im security chiefs here and he say dem dey constrained by so many things. Somebody for Abuja no go fit know wetin dey happen for remote villages for Plateau. Na so he talk say therefore dem need security federalism. That system wey e go allow for localized responses. Say like him talk, e dey easier for people at local level and villages to get the appropriate intelligence on security situations, not be somebody for the state capital or Abuja. He come talk say you no go fit effectively police Plateau from Abuja. That na why him and others dey call for state police. He say him dey optimistic say dem go get to that point. He say dem need the power to protect our people. Security must be community based and that one e dey only possible through state policing.